Hi, I'm with Gary here in the garage, checking out this beautiful Trans Am. I love Trans Ams, and this is a 1979 Bandit Edition. And I love the Bandit Edition. It has all this extra gold pinstriping, the gold inserts in the grill. Why did you want a Trans Am? I mean, I love Trans Ams. What drew you to these cars?
Ever since I was a kid, yeah, Burt Reynolds, Smokey and the Bandit.
Oh yeah.
Always wanted, one of these. He came out in 1977, and that, kind of set off the marquee for this car.
How many times have you watched Smokey and the Bandit?
I've got all the movies. There's like 6 movies, and I've got them at home. And
I think I've watched that movie a million times, maybe a million one. I can never get enough of that. You know?
I just watched it last week.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. It brings back a lot of memories, and it does for the people too that see the car when you're driving it. So.
And this is an automatic powered by a 403.
Correct.
So the California car.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, built in Van Nuys. So.
It's just beautiful, and it's just nice to see one completely stock and original like you have it.
Yes, that's been the main goal of getting it back to original. I just got it back to where it's smog legal now. Got the original rims and tires back on it, and just been getting it back to the way she came out of the factory.
So do you remember these cars were new?
I do. I remember seeing them. Always wanted one. Always thought the kids in high school, that were driving them were the coolest kids. But I had a Volkswagen, so.
Well, everybody wanted a Trans Am, right? Everybody wanted a Trans Am. I wanted a Trans Am more than I wanted a Corvette. I think just about everybody. I think they outsold Corvettes, and actually did it. I remember some sort of road test where the cars were actually slightly faster and handled better.
Yeah. The WS6 package on these gave them exceptional handling, and for the power in the late 70s, which was kind of ebbing out, they outperformed everybody. So
it's kind of like the last hurrah of what a muscle car is supposed to at least look like, with all the graphics and spoilers and everything, and the air extractors and the shaker hood. It's just got so much going on.
Yeah, and they even have a Macho edition of these.
The Macho TA.
The Macho TA, man, and that was another one.
The T-tops, really, it's just an iconic car.
Yes.
I just love it. Thanks a lot. Well, that's wrapping it up. Checking out one of my favorite cars, the Bandit Edition Trans Am here in the garage. This thing is totally bitchin'. And catch you next time in the garage.